Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a quick plan with me today using my Erin Condren 2019-2020 hourly colorful life planner today. We are coming up to the end of this planner and I can't believe that. So we have about 4 full weeks of May left, and then so we've got 1, 2, 3, yep, 4 full weeks of May left, and then probably what, 4 or 5 weeks in June, and then we'll move into our new planner. I'm so excited about that. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a sticker kit from Fern Creek Stickers. She has some super cute stickers. She's also got some great deals. So if you use her coupon, I think it's InstaFriends15. I think if you head over to her Instagram, it's just Fern Creek Stickers. She's got some discounts there in her bio for you guys to check out. So I absolutely love her stickers. They're adorable. I've actually really enjoyed this kaleidoscope theme. However, I'm just not a fan of the colorful kaleidoscope in the weeks. So I love that her kit is one that you can take this off and it covers it up. So anyways, I'm not going to take up too much time. You guys know the drill. I usually don't talk during my planning and I speed it up and I play some music so that you guys can get through this quicker rather than me just talking over it. All right guys, I'm going to just jump right in. guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I always say this at the end of my videos, but I pretty much plan the exact same way every single time. I'm kind of new to using Fern Creek stickers, so I'm still really trying to figure out which of each kit, or which of each stickers from the kit that I like to use. I personally like just more of the blank boxes, so sometimes I have to make do with these little, I guess they're appointment boxes. I'm not sure. But I do like to mess around with those some, so I've just kind of, I don't know, gotten used to doing my own way of doing things, but I have really found a system that I love. So I always keep like some to-do notes over here. I like to cover this up when I can. I always have my me time in the morning. I get up at 4 a.m. for work, or no, I have to be at work at 4 a.m. So I like to wake up 2 hours before I need to be there. So I get up at 2, which means that I have a very early bedtime. So I like to mark that in here because I'm not doing a lot of anything really past by about 6 o'clock. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm wrapping up my night. So anything that's like below here is just really not happening. So as tomorrow, or Monday, Tuesday, anything we do here, I'll fill that in as I go. Same with Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'll fill this in with whatever we end up doing. I like to keep Saturday blank unless there's anything that I absolutely know that's going on, just because I like to leave that open for family fun and such. I'm off on Wednesdays. Oh, I didn't put that little sticker on there. So I am off on Wednesday. So I like to leave a list for me to accomplish, and then of course, like, I'll go back through and fill this in. I don't love to do those on the videos because sometimes I can't think right away about what I need to get done this week, so I just like to show you guys my simple layout. Of course, on Sundays I do all my prepping for the week, so that's what goes there, and that's pretty much it. So I'll link the sticker shop in my description, and I'll of course link the planner that I'm using. I'll use the updated link for the new planner, because Erin Condren just released a new planner last week. But that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave it. I love to interact with you guys. And thanks again for watching.